1 fish plus 2 fish equals 3 fish.
Okay, so let's look at example. That's not the one I wanted. I wanted 1A. What happened to 1A? It must have gone away. All right, well, that's okay. We'll look at example 1C. So we are combining our like terms by adding and subtracting polynomials. So if I'm given 0.9y to the fifth minus 0.4y to the fifth plus 0.5x to the fifth plus y to the fifth. Okay, when you're looking for adding and subtracting polynomials, you can only combine things that have the same letter and the same exponent. Okay, so same letter and the same exponent. So we have a 0.9y to the fifth, a 0.4y to the fifth, and a 1y to the fifth. So we're going to combine those. So 0.9 minus 0.4 is 0.5, and 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. Okay, so 1.5y to the fifth. Then we also have this 0.5x to the fifth, but there's no other x's, so we just put 0.5x to the fifth, and that goes at the end. And you're done. Hello.
It's so complicated.
I'm sorry. It's okay. We can keep practicing. So 2x squared y minus x squared y minus x squared y. These all have this x squared y, right? They're all the exact same thing. So since they're all the like terms, we're going to combine them all into 1. So 2 minus 1 is
1.
1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 x squared y. You're just combining your leading coefficients.
Is this the whole time?
This is pretty much the whole assignment. Yep.
No.
Where's today?
26. Okay, I'll put 1A back on here, just because I don't know what happened to it. Okay, so if we look at 1A, which we were supposed to look at, but it disappeared. 15m cubed plus 6m squared plus 2m cubed. What has the same letter and same number?
The 15 and the 2.
The 15 and the what? And the 2, right? 15m cubed, 2m cubed.
Yeah.
You can't combine this one because that's a 2, not a 3. They have to be the same exponent. Okay, so 15 plus 2 is 17m cubed. And then we also have this plus 6m squared. There's nothing to combine it with, so we just put it at the end. When there's nothing to combine it with, you just add it to the end of your problem. Put her in. Plus 12. Alright, if we look at 1B, I'm given 3x squared plus 5 minus 7x squared plus 12. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to combine is my x squares. I have a 3x squared and a 7. Okay, so 3 minus 7 font set is negative 4x squared. Okay, then I also have this 5 and a 12 that we can combine. So plus 17. That's it.
Where did you get this? Oh, never mind.
Okay, so let's keep practicing these, because it's all about combining your like terms. So if I'm given 2x squared minus x squared plus 3x minus 1, you can ignore the parentheses in the front. We can't ignore the parentheses in the back until we distribute this plus. So plus x squared plus 3x and plus negative 1. You still have to have that minus. So I have a 2x squared minus x, that stays out front. Nothing changes there, and then I distributed my plus. Okay, this is like a 1x and a 1x squared. So we're combining the things that look the same. So what looks the same?
The 2x and 1x.
Okay, 2x squared and 1x squared. Okay, and 2 plus 1 is 3x squared. Okay, and then I have this 1x. What can I combine the 1x with? 3x. Okay, so negative 1x plus 3x is 2x. And then what's left? The plus negative 1. Perfect. So we're done. Okay, we can do that one. Alright, so 2c, 4b to the 5th plus 8b plus 3b to the 5th plus 6b minus 7b to the 5th plus b. So we can ignore our parentheses up front, but we have to distribute the plus sign. So plus 3b to the 5th plus 6b plus negative 7b to the 5th plus b. Okay, and then I still have 4b to the 5th plus 8b out front. So now let's combine. If I start with my 4b to the 5th, what else can I combine with that? 3b to the 5th, what else? Perfect. Okay. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus negative 7 is 0. So this becomes 0, b to the 5th. Okay, if I look at my 8b, what can I combine with my 8b? Okay. And plus that 1b. Okay, so 8 plus 6 is? 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So plus 15b. That's it.
Okay, are we good?
We're going to do 2 more, because we're going to look at minuses next. Okay, so 2x squared plus 6 minus 4x squared. You ignore your parentheses up front, but we have to distribute the minus, so instead of being positive, it's minus 4x squared. So I have 2x squared plus 6 minus 4x squared. What can I combine? What can I combine with my 2x squared?
Negative 4.
Okay, so 2x squared minus 4x squared is, what's 2 minus 4?
41.
Negative 2x squared, and then I still have this plus 6 that goes out back. Alright, Niall, since you're so anxious to answer all of these questions, you're going to walk me through this whole problem. You're just anxious. You keep yelling out answers. So you must be anxious. Alright, ignore your first parentheses, distribute the negative. What do we do if we distribute the negative to our first term? Okay, so minus 3a to the 4th. What happens when we distribute that negative to a second term? Negative times a negative is a positive. So positive 3a. And if I distribute this negative to the 1, what do I get? Negative 1. Okay. And I still have my a to the 4th minus 2a out front. Alright, starting with my a to the 4th is 1a to the 4th. What can I combine with that 1a to the 4th, Niles? Which one? I don't know what you're pointing to.
Negative 3a.
Okay, and what's 1 minus 3? Okay, so negative 2a to the 4th. Okay, what can I combine with that minus 2a?
That 3a.
Okay, so negative 2 plus 3 is 1, so 1a. And what can I combine with this minus 1? Just put it at the end, so nothing. So negative 2a to the 4th plus 1a minus 1. Okay. So that's what you guys are doing today. You're working through page 417, 1 through 32 today and tomorrow. You need to get through at least 16 today to be on track. Okay, so through at least 16.